so many things that we do in the classroom that are hands-on. I see this void that's going to happen with distance learning.
Abigail Peterson has a heart and passion for the kids she calls little learners. The former CCSD kindergarten teacher launched educatinglittlelearners.com, bridging the gap in today's kindergarten education, working one-on-one with children to read, write, count, and add. Her Instagram page, Kindergarten Chaos, boasts 47,000 followers.
Little learners, they need to manipulate items. They need to use pencils to learn to write. They need books that they can actually open up and point to the words and read. If a student comes into kindergarten and they don't master the skills that are required, they're already going into first grade with a disadvantage.
By first grade, children must know how to read and say basic sentences, their ABCs, pronounce certain phrases, count. Abigail wants all parents of the littlest learners to know they need plenty of hands-on help from you, just like they would in the classroom to master these skills. Her advice, plenty of books. Read with your child.
Giving children an early love for reading is foundational, and it's so vital.
Build fine motor skills from writing, scissors, glue, even Play-Doh.
Fine motors like your pincher grasp, Play-Doh to build numbers, to build letters, to build words.
She recommends counting jars to help with numbers.
You could use beans, you could use pennies, you can use anything around the house. It's great for counting.
For working parents, don't get overwhelmed. Take 10 minutes at a time throughout the day to go over these foundations and make it fun.
For a little learner, they just need little blocks of time, again, mixed in with those hands-on activities. Find some songs.
She had a final piece of advice. Play songs on YouTube so kids can sing along and dance. It'll get all that energy out. Fox 5's on School Watch for you. Ahead at 10:30, resources for special needs children. Why some parents say they've been left in the dark. You can always find all the information and resources on our website, fox5vegas.com/news/education.